And this is where we get into the crux of what we do at Team EDA. What do we support? So when we talk about engineering licenses, we are talking about this kind of software, and these will be familiar to you. So if we were to talk about those requirements, top left-hand corner of the V, typically people are working with systems engineering tools, certainly within aerospace and automotive now. And we can call those model-based system engineering tools as well. But from there, you'll start on the design phase. So in the top left-hand corner, we have the EDA toolset, so those electronic design tools, and they cover a whole multitude of kind of either PCB through to kind of layouts and system design. Bottom left, we're talking about CAD, so that's that kind of 3D virtual simulated view. Some familiar ones there to people, I'm sure. Top right-hand corner, we're talking about the simulation side of things, FEA, CFD, all manner of different tools in there to do, simulation. Lots of stuff coming in thermal and acoustics these days. And in the bottom right-hand corner is kind of the mathematical tools, LabVIEW, PTC, MathWorks, Origin Labs. A lot of this stuff is very familiar to people with robotics as you get into the kind of programming of these robotic functions. So if you're involved in the R&D side of developing robots and kind of those automation tools, many of these will be familiar to you. And the reason we're showing you these on screen is because these are the tools that run on a FlexLM or derivative style system. And typically companies of small but increasing in size will have many of these different tool sets. Multiples. Sometimes companies, different departments run different software, or mergers and acquisitions have taken place, and so different departments add these different levels.